let's head to Montego Bay, where the Reggae Girlz are moments away from facing Paraguay in the first of two friendly internationals at home. Our reporter Karen Madden is on location at in Catherine Hall and joins us with this live report.
Thank you very much, Jeremy. And I can tell you that the fans are still coming in as you join us here at the Montego Bay Sports Complex. It's been raining on and off in Mobe since morning, but that has not seemed to diminish the excitement in the air right now. Right now they are bouncing to the sounds of the great Bob Marley. Head coach Lauren Donaldson has named Captain Khadijah Bunny Shaw, goalkeeper Rebecca Spencer, Tierney Wilshire, Denisha Blackwood, Alison Swaby, Satara Murray, Vian Simpson, Drew Spence, Atlanta Primus, Paige Bailey Cole, and Shoban Wilson to his starting 11. From the coach's corners, Donaldson has seen his players for the first time since September when they lost 2 games against South Korea in South Korea. But last night he was expressing a great deal of confidence that the Jamaicans will get the better of Paraguay. Paraguay, of course, is looking to book their ticket to the World Cup next February's 10-game Interconfederation playoffs. They have for company there Panama and Haiti from CONCACAF. Now 3 teams, of course, will book those non-automatic spots to next year's World Cup. Jamaica, on the other hand, valuable South American experience for them here since the Jamaicans have joined Brazil in their bracket at the World Cup. As you join, throwing you back now to you now, Jeremy, as minutes away from game time. It's the first game of 2, Jamaica versus Paraguay. Next game, of course, Sunday inside Kingston's National Stadium. It's back to you, Jeremy.
Thanks, Karen.